How's it going, everybody? Aaron, Siegfried's Motorworks here today. Gonna be doing something a little bit different, kind of a moto vlog. So if you're not into that, might as well skip it already. But we'll be riding this 2021 Genuine Scooter Company Buddy 170 as we take it over for an inspection appointment. One cool trick: if you have a Buddy 170, Buddy 50, Buddy 125, scooter's running, you forgot to put something underneath your seat, you can still get into it without actually killing the scooter. Just push your key in, turn it like you normally would to unlock the scooter, and it'll open it up. As I toss my gloves on here, give you guys a look at this thing. Sea foaming color. We did a Prima front rack on this one for the customer. We also did a Capetti medium clear shield, and then the K-Max color matched top case. So, all right, let's go get some stickers on this one. So yeah, 2021 Genuine Scooter Company Buddy 170i. At this point, all the Genuines that we have coming in are going to be 2021s, obviously, until the 2022 models come out. So this one's no exception to that. No real difference, actually legitimately no difference in the 2021 to the 2020 models, specifically on the Buddy 170. But across the entire Buddy line, there's no change. Just getting a newer year on the title. That's really it. Not so much of a ride video today. If you are looking for a ride video specific to the Buddy 170s, right up in here somewhere, wherever it is on the screen. Also in the description, I will put a link to we did a 170 ride video before, actually the same exact route that I'm about to take this one on. We did already take one of these Buddy 170s on. Now that was a pre-owned one, but still a good video to watch if you're interested in what the Buddy 170s, very specifically a video about them, is all about. That's a good one to watch. As we're scooting along here, take a second to show you guys my new gloves. This is a new line of gloves we're carrying at Siegfried's Motorworks. Double D or deep dirt gloves. Now granted, these are dirt bike gloves, so they don't have that street bike glove look. They're still going to offer you protection, the same amount of protection as like an entry level glove from Scorpion or even Alpine Stars. I mean, it's going to have that same basic amount of protection. But the thing I like about Deep Dirt is, number one, they're a small business and they're local to me. So anytime that I can support a local small business, I'm in. 100%, count me in. And then the next thing too is they actually make really cool gloves. They also do like dirt bike jerseys, and I think they have plans to keep expanding their line. But their gloves are absolutely wild. Cool patterns. Now granted, if you are looking for gloves, this is not actually a glove combination that they offer. I had to take the blue with the white stars and then the red and white stripes and kind of mishmash it together. There's links to their website in the description. You can get on there and see. I think we have a coupon code. I don't know if I got it yet though. So I don't know what the coupon code is, but there's a coupon code in the description that you can use on their website to get some kind of discount. I don't know what that discount is. But yeah, you can get some kind of discount there by using our code. But if you like supporting small business, you like supporting people that actually, are trying to do cool things in the motorcycle industry, Deep Dirt, check them out. Also, too, this is one of the first times I'm filming from the shop, I believe. I guess I did my VMAX video. But this video is being filmed. This is a Scorpion 18950 modular with my Senna 10C Evo. on the side of it. So a little bit different angle for you guys. Wanted to kind of check it out, see how it works for a scooter, so bear with me. I know the one thing that we realized on previous videos as far as filming with the Sena versus my normal GoPro setup is the fact that the Sena doesn't have the image stabilization like the GoPro does. So especially, you know, as you're riding and you're doing sharp looks to make sure traffic's not pulling out, things of that nature, the Sena isn't necessarily the clearest thing in the world, but it's still a pretty good camera. And you know, naturally your head acts as a gimbal as you're going down the road, so that's not a major concern either. But just kind of wanted to take a minute here. I mean, we've been so crazy. We've been really slacking on the YouTube stuff, and not for the fact that we forgot about you. Every single morning we walk in the shop, we have a list of things that we absolutely 100% need to accomplish that day, a list of things that we should accomplish that day, and then we have a list of things that we would like to accomplish that day. And filming YouTube videos has been on that list, one of those lists, every single morning, and we just haven't been able to get to do it. We did film a Prima rack holder video, so that thing will go live probably before this will. So we did just film that, but we haven't been doing our weekly. We were uploading every other day, and it gets challenging, honestly, to keep that uploading every other day schedule, just because, you know, not only do you have to film it, which we have plenty of content to film. I mean, we have more content than we even realize up there to film videos on each of the Genuine scooter lines. But the couple of the problems we've had with it is obviously, A, like I said, is the time that it's taking and that we don't have, and then B, it's I can't keep Genuines in stock long enough to make any kind of videos out of them. We also have highway pegs coming for some of the Genuine lineup, and the last, very specifically right now, is for the Rough House models. But the last 3 Rough Houses we had, all I had the intentions on doing the peg installation video and like the peg video on, and I didn't even get a chance to do it. We've just been so crazy, which is a good thing. And it was really nice to see. I know that a lot of places and a lot of people and a lot of businesses aren't so fortunate to have remained busy with everything going on. So we're very, we're very aware of how we are very aware, goodness, of how fortunate we are in our, our location, and also too with how busy we've been. So we're not naive to that fact by any means, but it's still frustrating. I really do like putting out the content for you guys on YouTube. It's especially too getting the comments back and seeing, even when I get comments on one video, and this sounds really cheesy, but even when I get a comment on a video, because I take the time out of my day, this is out of my work schedule. Like, outside of these where I have to ride this bike to inspection and I stick a camera on my helmet to do it, outside of these videos, any of these other videos, we're literally just putting it out there because we enjoy making the content for you guys, and because we enjoy, I get comments on a lot of bikes. Wow, man, I've been looking at this bike or that bike, and this really helped me make a decision. Thank you. And that's honestly the goal. It's riders helping riders. This is just a modern way of doing it. So, it's kind of been frustrating with that. But at any rate, I'm about to pull in here to Hammer Creek Power Sports in Schaeferstown for this inspection appointment. So we will catch you guys after this thing gets a sticker. Yep. Just left Hammer Creek Power Sports in central Pennsylvania. Craig's a great guy. He's always done well by us. Gets us in when we have bikes. That's one thing with us. It's normally always a very last minute. Hey, Craig, I needed this thing inspected 2 days before yesterday. And Craig always gets us in. So he's a good guy. You've probably, if you watch motorcycle videos on YouTube, you've probably seen Craig's. He is on some of the SRK Cycles videos. So you guys know SRK Cycles or Bikes and Beards, you've probably seen Craig there. So we are in the process now. I mean, if everything being so crazy at the shop, of course, why would I not keep trying to fill my plate? We're in the process of starting a powder coating business, Powder Works 717. So that's kind of a slow roll. We're doing it here and there when we can. Right now, more or less building up some promotional items and doing things to that extent. But if you're in central Pennsylvania and need powder coating done, hit us up. We'll take care of you. In addition to that, too, I also started a drone videography and photography company. So right now, we've been working with real estate agents and making, obviously taking pictures of the houses, a couple different shots. And we've actually been getting some really cool footage. I'll actually put a picture that we made here, just with some editing and some good photos. Some good photos with some good editing, and we're getting some really cool shots. In addition to that, too, we're making videos for them for their YouTube channels, and also for our new DroneWorks 717. I'll put a link to it in here. Hopefully I can link a video here yet if I'm not running out of time. But DroneWorks 717, we're doing, like I said, we're doing videos for that. So we have a YouTube channel there. It's definitely different, man. Going from power sports where it doesn't matter where you are. If you're looking for information on a Buddy 170i or a Yamaha VMAX or a Kawasaki Vulcan, Yamaha V-Star 650, anything like that, my video comes up. It doesn't matter where I am. You're watching the video because the bike's the bike. But with this DroneWorks stuff, it's kind of tough because, especially right now, we've been doing the real estate side of things. So you're looking at very specific properties. So unless someone's very specifically looking for that property, it's hard for them to find us or necessarily want to watch us. Like, it's not really something that someone's going to casually watch. Where this is more casual viewing. So that's where you get a lot more feedback. You're getting a lot more instant give and take. We put a video up and, people are watching it. People are commenting on it. It doesn't matter where you are. Where with this DroneWorks thing, it's kind of different. So it's definitely a cool challenge, but I like it. It kind of breathes new life into the editing side of things. Also, too, I mean, we have plans for a lot of drone stuff at the shop, too. So I don't know. We'll see. DroneWorks is going to be keep on chugging at it, and hopefully we get to where we want to get to with it. Thanks again for riding with me. Again, this is a 2021 Genuine Scooter Company Buddy 170i. Awesome scooters, best power to weight ratio on the market. Really comfortable scooters to ride too, especially if we get a set of SMWX 717 pegs on this bad girl. That'll really make a difference. But yeah, at any rate, thank you again so much for watching. We appreciate you guys checking in. If you can, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. And if you can, or you're so inclined, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. We got to kind of prioritize our YouTubing here in the busy season. So, Royal Alloy GT150 test ride video. Our Yamaha Jog project is going to be finishing up here. So we do a video on that. Deep Dirt glove video. Just, yeah. Check it out. Let us know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. So, thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day.